Unique apps to know, especially if you're on the go or need to go.
This guy, Rich DeMuro, explains in today's Tech Smart. Good morning.
I'm glad you got to read that line.
Yes, I like it.
Good morning to you guys. I know you're always asking me more apps. So today,
Please, we don't have enough, Rich.
I know. Think of these apps as off the beaten path. They're all interesting, useful, and kind of random. Summer is synonymous with travel, and if you're heading to a new destination, why not make it your wallpaper? Atlas is an app that lets you create unique wallpapers based on a location. Search for a city, position it just right, then choose a style. You can create wallpapers for your phone, watch, or computer. Atlas is free for iOS. Cartogram is an Android alternative for $2. On the go and need to go? Check out Flush, a free app that helps you find public restrooms from a database of over 200,000 of them. Filter by fee, key, or disabled access. The results aren't always perfect, but Flush can be helpful, and it's free on iOS and Android. Curious what the name of that mountain is? Check out Peak Finder. The app identifies over 1 million mountaintops around the world, and it works offline. Just aim to identify. You can even use it in augmented reality mode and save photos with peak names right on top. Peak Finder is available for iOS and Android for a one-time fee of $5. Finally, if you find yourself in a new city, why not use your phone for a self-guided audio walking tour?
Welcome to the historical walking tour.
I used VoiceMap in Austin and was super impressed with the results.
You can either use this time to stretch or jog on the spot if you like. The building in front of you is the Austin City Hall.
They have tours for hundreds of destinations worldwide, mostly produced by local storytellers. Tours cost just several dollars each. Audio highlights are triggered by GPS as you follow a map. We absolutely loved our walking tour of Austin. My only pro tip, just be sure to bring an extra battery for your phone because using all that GPS will definitely drain it after a long tour. If you want links to any of those apps, you can go to my website, richontech.tv. With the VoiceMap, the audio guided tour, you can get your first tour for free.
Nice.
So definitely take advantage of that. Tours are a couple bucks each.
That's what I was going to ask.
Yeah, and it's just, I mean, compared to other forms of entertainment in a city,
Right.
to pay $6 for a walking tour that lasts 2 hours is incredible. And you're on your own, so you can stop, you can start, and it's just a great way to learn about the city you're in.
There are so many apps. I've already downloaded all the ones you just mentioned.
I know.
Like, literally, I'm doing, all right, what's that one called? What's that?
But I never remember them.
That's why I did it on the
You even paid me
spot.
$5 right on the spot.
I did. It was worth it. It was all worth it. But